y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to give you a quick video on this app, ReceiptPal. It is a receipt scanning app where you can get paid 5 cents for every receipt that you submit. Very easy to do. I just want to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to show you the instant payment that they send to you, so you don't have to wait forever for your payment. So just to show you how it works, I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to click on this camera icon and just take a picture of the full receipt. So just making sure I line it up right. Click the camera icon again, and then click done. Make sure everything looks good, and then with the full receipt in there, you click submit. And after that, you're gonna wait for them to approve it. So like I said, I want to show you the rewards that you can get. You see right there, it had 22,240 points. So let me show you the rewards. The rewards start at $5, a minimum of 2,200 points. You can get Amazon retail gift cards, starting at 5, 10 to 25, 50, and 100. So I mean, there's something on here that you can choose from. I like to choose the retail gift card because there are more options in it. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to click, just showing me that. I'm going to click redeem. It's going to ask me, am I sure? I'm going to say yes. And then it's going to tell me, it'll send me an email shortly. Now, when they say shortly, they really do mean shortly. They basically mean instantly. So now I'm going to go to go back just to click continue. Then we'll go to my email and kind of refresh. And you see there, right there, ReceiptPal team. Right there, they send me the link to where I can choose from different gift cards. So, I mean, it doesn't take long at all for you to get your the email. So when I click on that, it'll show me all the different ways that I can actually cash out on here. And I can kind of just scroll down and see all the different ones. They got the Visa, they got the Starbucks, Walmart, Apple, Target, Burger King, Chipotle, CVS, Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts. I mean, there's something on here. I usually take the Visa gift card, but, like I said, there's different options you can choose from, whatever, works for you. Also, they have Amazon that works. So I just wanted to show you how it works. It's very easy to use. Like I said, it's a minimum of 5 cents for every receipt that you take. And the thing is, that does add up very fast, because if you just think, how many receipts do you get on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, how many receipts that you just see laying around, what I'm saying? Just take a picture of it and, make money with it, all right? So I just wanted to show you that. The link to download this app is in the description. Get paid for your receipts, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.